Hello everyone, I'm Anurag Mishra and I'm honored to talk about a very important topic that is close to my heart. The topic is destroy what destroys you. As we all know, life is full of challenges, obstacles, and struggles. Sometimes it feels like we are fighting an uphill battle and everything is against us. But the truth is, we are the main characters of our own lives and we have the power to shape our destiny. In Hindi, there is a saying, Jab jago, tab savera, which means when you wake up, it's morning. This saying reminds us that we have the power to change our situation by taking action. We cannot wait for someone else to save us. We must take responsibilities for our own lives. One of the biggest obstacles that destroy us is a fear. Fear can hold us back from achieving our dreams and living our best lives. But in Sanskrit, there is a saying, Shraddhavanam labhate jnanam, which means faithful people attain knowledge. This quote reminds us that if we have faith in ourselves and our ability, we can overcome our fear and achieve greatness. Another obstacle that can destroy us is negativity. Negativity thoughts and emotions can drain our energy and prevent us from morning forward and moving forward. But in Hindi, there is a saying, "Jo dikta hai, wo bikta hai," which means what you see is what you sell. This quote reminds us that our thoughts and emotions create our reality. If we focus on positivity and abundance, we will attract more of it into our lives. Sometimes we may face challenges that seem insurmountable, but in Sanskrit, there is a saying, Kshama Sobhate, which means forgiveness is a virtue. This quotes remind us that forgiveness and compassion can help us overcome when the toughest challenges are coming. When we forgive ourselves and others, we release the negative emotions that hold us back and open ourselves up to the new possibilities. In my own life, I have faced many challenges and obstacles. I come from a humble background and I have to work hard to achieve my goals, but I never give up and I never let fear or negativity hold me back. I always believed in myself and my abilities, and I knew that I was the main character of my own life. I want to share with you a story about the Yamuna River. I have shared a video. You may just watch from our playlist. So the Yamuna River is one of the most sacred river in India and it flows from the majestic Himalayas to sacred Ganges. But over the years, the river has become the polluted and toxic due to the human activities. The once beautiful river has turned into a cesspool of the waste and garbage, and but there is a hope for the Yamuna River. Many people are working to clean up the river and restore its natural beauty. They are taking action to destroy what destroy them, and they are being the main characters in their own lives. We can learn a lot from the Yamuna River. Just like the river, we may face pollutions and toxicity in our own lives, but we have the power to clean up our lives and restore our natural beauty. We must take actions to destroy what destroy us. We must be the main characters in our own lives. In conclusion, I have to say you the one final quote from the Sanskrit, Atmano Moksha Dharmam Jagat Hitaya Cha, which means for one's own salvation and for the welfare of the world. This quote reminds us that we are all connected and our actions have an impact on the others. When we take care of ourselves, our well-being, we also contribute to the greater good. So let's us all take action to destroy that destroy us and let us be the main character in our own life. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Please subscribe Geeta Nandan.